In today's dynamic world of interior design, modern home decor stands as timeless and adaptable style that can breathe life into any living environment, characterized by its clean lines, minimalist sustainabilities, and a commitment to functionality. Modern home decor effortlessly marries contemporary innovation with classic sophistication. In this video, we will explore the world of modern home decor, providing you with a wealth of insight and actionable tips to your create a chic, inviting, and truly modern living space. Modern home decor, often referred to as contemporary or minimalist design, revolves around the idea that is less more. It embraces simplicity, functionality, and an uncultured aesthetic. Clean lines, open spaces, and a neutral color palette are the building blocks of this style. Tracing the historical roots of modern home decor, we finds its origin in the early 20th century with moments like Beho's and the mid-century modern style. Today's it is it has evolved to encompasses various substyles and is continually influenced by technology and advancement. Decluttering your living space is the first step to achieving modern home decor. Invest in smart storage solution. Pare down your possession and for future furniture with sleek, streamlined design. The goal is to create an open and airy atmosphere that feels unburdened by excessive neutral color like white, gray, peach, and muted tones are staples of modern home decor. They are a sense of scenery and provide a versatile backdrop for adding pops of color through decor and accessories. Modern homes often features open floor plants that promote fluidity between spaces, knocking down walls, using area rugs to define areas and arranging furniture aesthetically can help you achieve this sought after flow. Invest in furniture that only looks great but serve a purpose too. Sofa beds, multi-purpose coffee tables with storage and ottomans that double as seating are excellent choice. Versatile furniture enhance the functionality of your space. In modern home decor, it's quality over quantity. Choose a few statement pieces that resonate with your style and leave plenty of negative spaces to maintain the minimalist feel. Focus on pieces made of high quality material that will stand the test of time. To truly modernize your home, consider integrating smart home technology, programmable thermostats, lighting system, and security cameras not only convince but also enhance the efficiency and safety of your living space. Texture is a crucial element in modern interior design. Incorporate a variety of textures like smooth leather, plushes, fabrics, rugs, tones, and sleek glass. Mixture texture adds depth and visual interest to your decor. Choose decor items that adhere to the less is more physiology for minimalist wall art, geometric sculptures, and abstract vases to introduce subtitle yet impactful accent in your space. Infuse your home with the tranquility of nature by incorporating elements like wood, pottery, plants, and stone. Put furniture indoor, greeny and stones center top can bring warmth and balance to your home decor. Lighting is a crucial in modern home. Invest is fixtures that not only illuminate but also serve as statement pieces. Pendant lights, floor lights, and well-placed recessed lighting can create a stunning ambiance. With the growing emphasis on environmental consciousness, consider sustainable choice in your decor. Look for furniture made from recycled material, evergreen energy sufficient lighting, and eco-friendly paints and finishes. One of the key principles of modern home decor is minimalism. The design is physiology. encourages living with you clean and uncultured spaces. To achieve this, start by decluttering your living area and organizing your belongings. Invest in a storage solution like sleek cabinets and shelving units to keep items out of sight. When choosing furniture for pieces that have simple, streamlined design with clean, straight lines. Modern home decor often favor neutral color palettes such as whites, gray, and earthy tones. These colors create a sense of serenity and openness, making rooms appear larger and more inviting. You can add pops of color through accessories like through pillows, artwork, or accent furniture and inject personality to your space. Promise a sense of subconsciousness and encourage interaction between different lines area, knocking your down walls to create an open flow between the kitchen, dining areas, and living room can instantly modernize your home. To delineate spaces, use area rugs, furniture placement, or decorative screens. Modern home decor prioritize functionality without sacrificing style. Look for multifunctional furniture spaces such as sofas, bed, coffee tables with storage, or ottomans that double as seating. Invest in pieces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also serve a practical purpose in your daily life. The modern home is intertwined with technology. Consider incorporating smart homes devices like programmable thermostat, lighting system, and security cameras to enhance the convenience and efficiency. These technologies advancement not only modernize your home but also contribute to a more comfortable and secure living environment. Texture plays a crucial role in modern interior design. Incorporate a variety of textures such as smooth leather, plush, velvet, rug, stone, and sleek glass to add depth and interest to your decor. Mixing texture can create a visual appealing contrast that elevates the overall aesthetic design. When selecting decor items, choose a few carefully cluttered pieces that complement your overall theme. Consider minimalist wall art, geometric sculpture, or abstract vases to add subtle accent to your home space. Remember, the negative space is just important in modern home decor as object themselves. Thanks for watching this video till the end. See you later.